Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on adding a notice in openSIS. What is a notice? A notice in openSIS is a message or announcement that is displayed to selected groups within the school community. Notices can be used to share important information, updates, or reminders with students, parents, and staff. Now, let's walk through the steps to add a notice in openSIS. First, go to the Schools section from the navigation menu. Next, click on Notices. Here, you'll see all the currently active notices displayed on the screen. To add a new notice, click on the Add Notice button located at the top right corner of the screen. A form will appear where you need to fill in the details of your notice. Start by adding the title of the notice. Next, add some description to provide more information about the notice. Specify the visibility date range, which determines how long the notice will be visible to the selected people. If you want the notice to be visible to other schools, check the Visible to All Schools option. Check the profile type boxes to select which groups, students, parents, staff, should be able to see the notice. Finally, click Submit to save the notice. And that's it. You have successfully added a new notice to the portal. You can now view it in the dashboard as well.